All right, so today we're working on day 2 of translations. So, first, remember we're going to write our algebraic rule and we use arrow notation. So, this x comma y and arrow. So, remember the x comma y and the arrow tell us our original figure was transformed into something. What's inside of the rule tells us what type of transformation happened. So, remember, whenever we have translations, we are only adding and subtracting. So I am either going to add and subtract to my x value a number. So we're going to use n for a number, or add or subtract our y value to n. That shows us a translation. Okay. Question says, does it preserve congruence? Yes, it preserves congruence because congruence means same shape, same size. So same shape, same size. So it does preserve congruence. Preservation or preserve means to keep or remain. Okay. Next, does it preserve orientation? So, does it rotate? Does it flip? No, it doesn't. So that means it does preserve orientation. So yes, it keeps its orientation. It preserves its orientation. So first we're going to write a rule for the following translation. This translation says that we need to go 1 unit right and up 2 units. So I'm going to start with x comma y with my arrow notation. Remember, if I'm going right or left, that affects my x value. So x plus 1 because I am going to the right. And then y plus 2 because I am going up. That is how I write my rule for my translation. Next, it says point A is at 2 comma negative 3. Use the translation rule to find the coordinates of A prime. So if A is 2, negative 3, I'm going to substitute in my values. I'm going to substitute in my X value here. I'm going to substitute in my Y value there. So then that becomes 2 plus 3 for my X value and negative 3 minus 1 for my Y value. So this will give us A prime, and A prime, 2 plus 3 gives us 5, and negative 3 minus 1 gives us negative 4. So this is the new location after we have slid it using the following rule. So now we're going to graph the image of the figure that's indicated after this translation. We have a translation of 2 units left and 3 units up. So first I'm going to write my rule. I'm going to write my rule first. So if I'm going 2 units left, that means I'm subtracting 2 from my X value. And if I go 3 units up, I'm adding 3 to my Y value. Okay. So what I do for 1 point, I have to do for all of the points. So I'm going to show you here. So we're going to go 2 units left for S. So 2 units to the left, and then 3 units up, 1, 2, 3. That gives us S prime. Then I have to complete that for my other points. So I go 2 units to the left for T, and then up 3 units, 1, 2, 3. Then I am given T prime. Then 2 units to the left, 1, 2, and 3 units up, 1, 2, 3. And I am given R prime. Now all I need to do is connect here, and you have your new image. So you're going to create the image given the pre-image and the translation. Now, you do not have to show your lines. Okay, here you don't have to show the line of you actually going 2 units to the left and 3 units up. You can just draw it like this as well. So you're going to go ahead and complete the rest of the Pear Deck, complete the rest of your assignment. There are also 2 links at the end of the Pear Deck. You need to make sure that you put your first and last name on that uh, assignment when you complete it so that you can receive credit. Go ahead and get started.